Right, let's get you all the updates from here. India, the battle over the Shiv Sena's name and its iconic bow and arrow symbol is now before the Supreme Court. The Uddhav Thackeray faction has challenged the Election Commission's decision recognizing the Eknath Shinde-led faction as the Shiv Sena and allotting it the bow and arrow symbol.
Appearing for the Uddhav camp, senior advocate Kapil Sibal has made a strong constitutional argument. He told the Supreme Court that if the legislative majority is allowed to take over the identity of the political party, you will bring back split through the back door. The Thackeray faction is now seeking either the Shiv Sena name and the bow and arrow symbol, or failing that, a freeze on both. At the center of this legal battle is the 10th schedule of the Constitution, India's anti-defection law. The Shiv Sena split goes back to June 2022. Eknath Shinde and a majority of Shiv Sena MLAs rebelled against then Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. The political crisis eventually resulted in the collapse of the Maha Vikas Aghadi government and the formation of a new government led by Eknath Shinde. The dispute then moved to the Election Commission. In February 2023, the poll panel recognized the Shinde faction as the real Shiv Sena and allotted it the party name and the bow and arrow symbol. The Uddhav Thackeray faction challenged that decision before the Supreme Court.
Well, the key argument from the Uddhav camp is this: a political party and its legislature party are not the same thing. Kapil Sibal has argued that a majority of MLAs cannot simply become the political party because they have greater numbers in the legislature. The Supreme Court itself has examined this distinction during the hearings. The bench has observed that under the existing legal framework, the political party exercises control over its legislature party, and that a legislative majority cannot necessarily undermine the identity of the political party. In fact, Kapil Sibal has also argued that the Election Commission relied too heavily on the numerical strength of MLAs while deciding the party and symbol dispute.
So what does split through the back door actually mean? For that, we need to understand the 10th schedule. The anti-defection law was introduced into the Constitution in 1985. It provides for disqualification of elected representatives who voluntarily give up membership of their political party or vote against the party direction, subject to specified exceptions. But there was once an important exception. A one-third split in a legislature party could protect defecting legislators from disqualification. That provision was removed through the 91st Constitutional Amendment in 2003. Today, the key protection is in a case of a merger. And for a merger to qualify, at least two-thirds of the members of the legislature party must agree to it.
Well, the Uddhav camp has therefore asked the Supreme Court of India to recognize its claim to the Shiv Sena name and the bow and arrow symbol. Our principal correspondent Disha Yadav gets you this report with more details. Take a look.
So this battle is not just about Shiv Sena's name or bow and arrow symbol. It is about India's anti-defection law and whether a legislative majority can walk away from a political party and then claim its very identity. Therefore, the Supreme Court's verdict could set a crucial precedent going forward when it comes to decisions like political splits, defections, as well as party ownership. Though bow and arrow symbol may be at the center of the dispute for now, but the battle is over. Who owns the political identity behind it? This is Disha reporting from Mumbai for WION World is One.